Hi and welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to create a digital product. I'm going to show you step by step on how to create your first digital product. And in the first module, we're going to look at 3 steps. So we're going to start by coming up with an idea of the digital product that you want to be creating. We are going to be using 2 tools. We're going to use ChatGPT and Canva. And don't worry, this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a digital product. By the end of this training, I want you to be able to comfortably create your first digital product. It can be an ebook, it can be a course, it can be templates, anything that you can sell online as a digital product. So let's first begin by coming up with an idea. So you can focus on experience that you have on a certain area. Maybe if you're a teacher in a specific subject, you can create a product around that. A product that helps your audience to solve one specific problem. Now, let me show you 50 ideas that you can work with, and also show you how you can use ChatGPT to come up with an idea if you're still stuck. These are 50 profitable digital product ideas that you can create a product on. So we have different categories, and these are profitable. That means they have a market out there. So we're going to look at planners and trackers. As you can see, I've listed 10 of them. You can take a screenshot of this. I'm also going to leave a link at the description where you can be able to download these ideas. Okay, this is the category of printable wall art. There we have 10 ideas. You can screenshot or download it. Then we have business templates. These do very well. We also have educational printables. We have 10 of those. Other profitable ideas, we have 10 there. So you can be able to download this entire list at the description. If you want to brainstorm using ChatGPT, let me show you how you can do that. Here an example of a prompt that you can give ChatGPT to be able to give you more ideas. So in my case, I said I'm a web designer and I want to give some advice on getting leads from Google search. Give me some ideas for an ebook and niche down. Okay, so you can say you want to give some advice to business owners getting leads from Google. You can see on ranking and getting leads from Google. Give me some ideas for an ebook and niche down. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, so as you can see, it's giving us ideas. So you can, the first one is the local business SEO blueprint, how to rank on page 1 and get more customers. Website to cash machine, 5-step SEO formula for non-techies, from invisible to unstoppable. How to get found in Google in 30 days, right? So if this is your area, these are very good ideas that you can work with. Now, the next step is to, so it gives you more ideas on who you can target, coaches, trainers. It gives a lot of tips, extra tips, how to structure your ebook, hook, quick win, step by step. ChatGPT is a powerful tool, but it will give you the best results if you give it the right prompts. So the next step is to pick the idea that you feel you can go with and then brainstorm further. So in this case, I've copied the idea, niche, and focus. And then to brainstorm further, we can say that small business owners do not know how to find keywords. They do not have a lot of time to spend on writing want to attract leads and customers fast. They want to spend less. Therefore, Google search their best bet. Okay, so you can add more and then copy this and go back to ChatGPT and tell it to create a product around this. To say, you can say, I would like to go with that, and then press Shift and Enter on your keyboard. Then instruct it further. Please create an ebook content around my idea. Make the English simple for a grade 5 reader. Okay, let's see what it comes up with. Simple beginner-friendly ebook draft for your idea. So here's the outline, cover page. So you can tell that it's using simple language, it's personalized, and I can see it's interesting for people to read. We already have how many chapters? We have 9 chapters. You can still give ChatGPT more instructions. You can ask it to expound more on each chapter and give more instructions. If you want to sell global, then you give it those instructions that you want to sell global. So give examples that are relatable to people from around the world. Or if you want to sell a product, or if you want to come up with a product specific for your country or your locality, then it can give you those instructions that relate to the business owners within that area. Now, the next step is go to Canva and then now start bringing our ebook to life. Canva.com has a free option and a paid option, and a free option is good enough to get you started. So go ahead and search for ebook templates. Don't go for those ones with a crown here. Just look for a free one like this one. Then customize this template. So this is a tool that is free to use. And what happens is that you can be able to change these images. You can be able to change the fonts. You can change the color from here. Okay, so let's go to ChatGPT and copy our product title. Okay, that's our title. So go ahead and work on the ebook. Just copy and paste, but it's always good to put in your own ideas into the templates or the course or the ebook that you create. Don't just copy and paste as it is. Just put in the idea so that it feels that like you're talking to a client or the audience that you have interacted with and you know much better. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks. As I said, you can be able to download the 50 ideas for your digital product at the description. You can also grab this guide, How to Create Digital Products with AI, the 15 minutes digital product creation method, even for beginners. So this guide will help you find your money-making niche in 15 minutes, choose your digital product type, creation, and how to sell. It has a lot of guide and templates that will get you started. So go ahead and take a look at this and get yourself the guide. I'll see you on the next one.